Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the foundation. Pick a niche that has demand and affiliate potential, then validate 3-5 target keywords. Next, buy a domain and reliable hosting, install WordPress and enable SSL so pages load secure and fast. Once done, install a lightweight theme and 3 essential plugins: an SEO plugin to rank, a caching plugin to speed pages, and an affiliate link manager to track links. These first actions get your site live and ready for content. Now you build the site structure and content that converts. Create pillar pages for core topics, then add product reviews and comparison pages that target buying intent. Make sure navigation, categories, and internal linking funnel visitors to those money pages, and implement schema markup for rich snippets. Write posts optimized for your keywords with clear CTAs, comparison tables, and honest affiliate disclosures. This builds trust and improves click-through rates. Also, batch produce outlines so you maintain consistent publishing rhythm. Finish by connecting to affiliate programs, placing tracked links, and testing conversions. Make sure pages load fast, images are compressed, and mobile UX is seamless because performance equals revenue. Use analytics to monitor where clicks and sales come from, and run a /B tests on headlines and CTAs to lift conversion rates. If something breaks, no conversions, slow pages, or broken links, disable recent plugins, check link redirects, and review console errors. That single troubleshooting step often restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.